Guys, I started a YouTube channel for AI video creators. And here is my story.
Late last year, around October 2025 to be precise, that was when I started my journey as an AI visual creator. That was when I started making photos and videos with AI. What led to that journey was because I wanted to make films traditionally, but I don't have the necessary equipment and connection to start. I have no money to get fancy camera, lighting, and other equipment for filming. As someone who is passionate about a lot of things, filmmaking and technology is what caught my fancy the most. And between the two, filmmaking is something that I felt like I could easily start at the time. I made the decision to start, but there was an obstacle. I want to learn from those who are already in the field, but I could not afford the money they were demanding for the training. All this was around August last year, so I decided to use the little money I have to start learning from YouTube. I came to YouTube and started learning by watching videos on how to become a solo filmmaker. My thought was that if I have value and there's something I can offer, then it would be easier for me to collaborate with other big filmmakers and I can go from there. I was making progress in my self-learning process, but along the way, I found AI. AI was trending and I saw mad videos people were creating with it. I fell in love with AI because I believe that I can use it to create the kind of movie I want to make. So I changed direction from being a traditional filmmaker to being an AI filmmaker. I started making research on how to use AI to make films. YouTube was my guy. It is still my guy actually. I use it to learn most of the things I know about AI today. And because of my obsession with AI filmmaking, I paid for online courses. One thing about buying courses is that it gives one structure and direction. Whatever topic I learn from the paid courses, I come to YouTube to expand my knowledge on that particular topic. This really helps me a lot, and within a space of 7 to 8 months, I've really learned a lot. Fast forward to this year, February 2026. I started a YouTube channel where I wanted to be teaching people what I've learned about AI photography and filmmaking. YouTube helped me a lot as a beginner, so I decided to give back by using the same platform to help people that also needs help like me. I posted some AI tutorial videos on the channel, but I wasn't really satisfied because I was using the channel for something else before I converted it to an AI tutorial niche. Because of my dissatisfaction, I decided to start a new channel afresh, and that was what brought about this particular channel. Basically, this channel is for people who wants to learn how to use AI to make all kinds of videos. I will be teaching everything I've learned about AI video production. I will be sharing tips which you can use to create amazing videos with real life examples. So if you want to make a podcast video, AI influencer video, product ads, or movies, or any videos of any kind using AI, then this is definitely a YouTube channel you should be subscribing to. And again, I'll also be showing you how to make money with AI videos. The goal of this channel is to build a community of AI video creators. The goal is to build a community of AI filmmakers. The goal is to make money with AI videos. If you are someone who is curious about making AI videos and you really want to know how people are doing it, then subscribe to Smile Studio today. Before the end of this year, the goal is to build a community of at least 10,000 subscribers across all social media platforms. It is possible through your support. Like this video, share it, and subscribe to this channel. And also make sure you turn on the notification so YouTube can bring my videos to your feed anytime I drop a new one. My name is Ismail. Thanks for watching this introduction video, and I will see you in the next one.